Hello everybody, I'm here making another video. I want to show you my incubator. That's my little small incubator there. I put 2 eggs of cockatiels that I found in one of the nests a few weeks back, and I come today to put water because you have to put water on it to keep the moisture level good for the embryo. And I open it up to check to put water, not thinking anything else, and look what I found. Look how beautiful is that. 2 little babies, 2 tiny small babies. Look at how tiny. Look at my finger. You see how tiny? I'm gonna grab one. Hold on. Look at how tiny. What a beautiful thing. Look at that. Such a beautiful baby. They came alive today. So I'm gonna find a pair that has babies in the back so I can put it with them. Is that beautiful? Right? Look at that. Tiny, tiny thing. Bye-bye.